But I wanted to see how easy it was because he made it look really easy.
Is it really easy?
Nope. Nobody's surprised. We're starting on the first window install. This is either going to be really easy or really hard, so we'll see. The YouTube creators that I've been watching make it seem like it's going to be pretty easy, but I've never installed a window before. So because we are installing a new construction window, I don't have to worry about taping the inside of the window frame. I can simply attach with my nailing flange and then tape and waterproof it on the outside of that. I want to be careful at the corners here to not cut too far, so I'm just going to use some scissors. Putting 2 shims at the bottom to have enough space to spray foam on the inside of the window once I get it installed. I need you to make sure I don't knock the shims out. If I didn't want to get this done so badly, I probably would exchange them and order a different brand, but this is what Home Depot has in stock, so this is what we're using this time around. So I have cut my tie back to be able to fit around the window frame. I'm going to go back in with my window and door flashing tape and tape around. But I wanted to see how easy it was because he made it look really easy.
Is it really easy?
Nope. Nobody's surprised. Alright, first window is done. Trying to get you a different angle this time so you can see a little bit more detail. So this is the nailing flange, and when you're doing a new construction window, they come with nailing flanges so you can just nail it to the outside. Alright, second window done. Alright, so we're back again today with more of the same. We're putting in one of the 48 by 48 windows. In hindsight, I stapled too closely to the edge of the window, and I'm not able to peel back my tie back the way that I need to. So I have to start on that first before I can start the window installation process. Alright, and for that one, I'm just going to leave it as it is because I'm going to cover it with tape anyway.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the lift. I need you to keep it from falling forwards or backwards.
Okay.
So grab down here because I'm going to go all the way up.
Okay. Oh fuck, we didn't shim it.
Me asking you to turn the camera right now while you're holding the door, preventing from falling. That's genius.
Silly me, I thought Crystal and I could struggle through carrying this little French door assembly from the garage to the pool house. No. There is no way that was going to happen. This thing weighs much more than it looks. I had some old PVC from when I pulled the plumbing, so I made a little rolly system. This really just consists of cutting the PVC to lengths a little bit larger than the door, and then you just keep stacking them in front of it and just keep pulling it over, and it'll feed them down the door, and just keep rolling and rolling and rolling.
Hey, sweetie. Do you know what we forgot to talk about? We forgot to make sure we had it facing the right direction. It might be. Do we still think it's not going to fall in?
What? Hold on.
That's all I got.
So the door shifted. We got both corner screws in, the right side, the left side, and the center. And we're going to do the side screws. The door just basically floated. The whole frame floated while the doors were open. So that can happen. Yep. Further. Just a little bit more. Awesome, right there.
All right, so today we're going to be installing the deadbolt. All door assemblies pretty much function the same. You've got this piece here that you slide into your entry point. And if you're using a new door, this probably fits right in. And you'll simply use the screws provided. It's on just like so. All right, and that's it. Now the next thing you'll need to do is put your striker plate in. If you're lucky, it'll fit, but as you can see, mine does not. So I'm going to have to come in here and chisel out a little bit. So I'm gonna line it up where I want it. I'm gonna make a little mark on either side. It's not perfect right now. We're almost there. Tonight we're going to be working on the last big extrusion coming out of the pool house, which will be the air conditioning unit. Once this is installed, we can move forward with putting on the rain screen and ultimately the siding that we're going to be putting on, which will then allow us to finalize the roof since there is no awning over top of the sides and the front. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is prep my shims. And I'm not putting a lot of height here, I just want to make sure that the unit slopes ever so slightly outside. That way if there's any condensation coming off the air conditioning unit, it's rolling out and not coming into. I am just ever so slightly tight. I don't know if you can see this, but I am just a screws head too tight. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and remove one of my sides, my side braces, give myself some extra space. All right, we're going to see if we can get away with not trimming the OSB. And the answer is no. All right. So it's the next day, we're back. It is thankfully much cooler today. Yesterday was gross. So I'm going to go ahead. Hi, babe. Hi. I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming this I needed just a touch of height and a touch on the side, so we're gonna get that taken care of and see if we can get this unit to fit. Haha! See if I can find a scrap piece to nail in here, just to make that a bit more secure. All right, so I don't really want to take it out again, but I think that's the best way to get that piece in that I need. We're gonna do it the right way. I wonder if they designed it right. What do you think the chances of that are? They did. All right, so you see these ramps? That is sloping it for me. I don't need to worry about the shims. Nice. All right. All right. She's not going anywhere. Last but not least, for now, since this is not going to be used, comes with this handy dandy little cover. All right, now that the air conditioning housing is in, I'm gonna go ahead and clean in here a little bit because it's quite messy. I don't think you wanna watch that, so we'll catch you another day. All right, 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 all right. All right, we are starting on the first window. I dislike talking to the camera.